Robot vacuum cleaners have become really popular ways to clean around the house. They're especially great for those who are busy, looking to automate the cleaning process, and those who are looking to build out a smart home. They're ultra convenient and they save lots of time. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new budget model that just came out that I think you're going to love. It is the Tapo RV10 Plus. It's TP-Link's debut 2-in-1 robot cleaner that packs a ton of premium features into a unit that's not going to break the bank. It features a large auto empty station that can store up to 70 days worth of stuff, 2,000 pascals of suction power, auto boost to increase suction on carpets, a 10-ounce water tank for mopping, up to 3 hours of cleaning time per charge, simple controls with the Tapo app, and it works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. This is a basic robot cleaner that has many of the same features found in higher-end robot cleaners, only you get them for a lot less. The thing that you don't get here though are all of the fancy navigation features, like LiDAR mapping, AI laser navigation, and things that you would typically find in more expensive models. However, during the past few weeks that I had with it, I found the RV10 Plus to be a solid robot cleaner that surprisingly performs and navigates around really well. It certainly exceeded my expectations for a budget model. Before we continue on with this review though, let us rewind to a quick unboxing and setup so you guys can see what you get in the box with this thing and how easy it is to get up and running. Okay, so when you first get the RV10 Plus, it's gonna arrive in a decently sized package that weighs about 20 pounds. When you open it up, you're gonna find the mop pad and a user manual right on top. Beneath that is the robot itself, which looks sleek and ultra modern. I really like the white color on this robot cleaner. It also feels solid and very well made. Underneath that, you're gonna find an additional HEPA filter, another brush, and a little cleaner tool to remove tangled hairs and things like that. And lastly in the box is the auto empty station along with an extra bag for it. The auto empty station is fairly lightweight, but it does feel solid and very well made. When you place this thing down, it's not going to slide around or budge one bit. After you plug it in, just place the robot on the pins to charge it and it's going to initiate the setup process. Getting up and running here is incredibly easy. Once the lights on the robot start blinking, just download the Tapo app, find the RV10 Plus, follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and you're going to be good to go in a few minutes. One thing that I found surprising about this robot is that it didn't need to do any initial run around in my space or anything like that. It just started cleaning as soon as I hit go in the app, so getting set up with this thing is extremely easy. Next, let's talk some more about the Tapo app. The companion Tapo app here is really nice. It's simple and easy to use. Not only is it used for setting up this robot, but it's also used to control it. In the app, you're going to be able to set cleaning schedules, adjust the suction power, set water levels for mopping, and you're even able to remotely control the robot like an RC car if your phone is connected to the same network as it. There isn't all that much to this app, but it's simple, effective, and good at what it does. If you already use TP-Link Tapo products in your home, you may actually already have the Tapo app, in which case the RV10 Plus is going to fit right in. Alright, so cleaning time. How well does this thing work? Is it good at vacuuming, mopping, navigating around, and all of that stuff? The short answer to that is yes. It is very good at what it does. Even on the lowest, quietest setting, the RV10 Plus does a good job of picking up things like dirt, dust, and pet hair. Hairs also don't seem to easily get tangled in the brush like they do on other vacuums, which is pretty nice. It will also work well for things like random cat litter that might be scattered on your floor. You'll get about 3 hours of vacuum cleaning time out of the battery before it needs to return back to its base. If it's not done cleaning a larger space and it's low on a charge, the robot will return back to its base to charge up a bit and then get back out there to finish the job. When it is done cleaning, it will release everything that it picked up into the bag in the auto empty station, which stores up to 70 days worth of stuff. You're not going to have to replace the bag in this thing very often at all. As a vacuum cleaner, the RV10 Plus is nice and convenient to have roaming around to clean your floors. When it comes to mopping, this robot also does do a good job. It left the floors in my grandma's house streak-free and feeling clean. It's not going to remove tough stains since its mopping capabilities are limited to just a basic cleaning motion, but mopping is great for removing dust and minor stains on your floors. The one problem with mopping is that while the RV10 Plus can detect carpets and increase suction power for vacuuming, it doesn't avoid carpets if it's mopping, so you do have to be careful. To prevent that, you will need to buy magnetic strips to create a virtual wall to block it off from those kinds of spaces. Regardless of where I used it though, the robot did a great job navigating around despite it not having any fancy navigation features. It went around dining room table chair legs, underneath couches, and all of that standard stuff with ease. It also went over small ledges and bumps without a problem. The only issue came when it went over or near wires. this. It did struggle a bit and it had a tendency to get stuck. I would pick up and tuck away any loose wires or cords if you plan to get this robot. Nonetheless, for an easy to use, budget-friendly 2-in-1 robot cleaner, I found the RV10 Plus to be all around amazing for what it is. I would just set your expectations accordingly because again, this is not the smartest or the most powerful robot cleaner out there. To start closing this video out, I really like the Tapo RV10 Plus. TP-Link did a great job with their first robot cleaner here. If you're looking to automate the cleaning process in your home, this is a really nice option. It's easy to use, it works great, its ultra sleek design is going to look good in any room, and best of all, it is not going to break the bank. My main complaint with it though is that you do need to buy special bags, which is kind of a bummer. Luckily, you're not going to need them very often, which is a good thing, but still, it would have been awesome if TP-Link went bagless here, hopefully in the next model. All in all, the RV10 Plus here is a solid alternative to the more expensive robot cleaners out there. If you are in the market for a robot cleaner, I highly recommend checking this thing out. So that's about all I got for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!